So, good morning, everybody. This is Ayush Kumar, and today is the 13th day of my English speaking practice, or my presentation skills, or my self improvement practice, self improvement journey. And I am very glad that I have completed my 12th, and today it is my 13th day. And I appreciate my consistency. Now, you will think, why I am appreciating myself? Because there are very few people who compliment their self, means their own, means there are very few people who compliment oneself. Oneself means their own existence. Everyone is complimenting others. Means complimenting others is also very difficult, but I compliment myself because I feel happy after that. So, what topic today it can be? Well, let me tell you. 1 year ago, means, yeah, or let's say within this 1 year, I've done several things. Several things. I've joined martial arts, and within this 1 year only, I joined martial arts. I have joined dance and all, guitar classes, not dance, guitar. I've done several things, right? But one thing that I have done is reading book. And the first book that I have read and became my favorite book, and what I have learned from it is very much interesting, and you will love it. So today, this is my story, that what I have learned from this book. And the name of the book is Atomic Habits by James Clear. It is a story of James Clear. This book says that leave all the chapters. Only one thing you will understand. You need to understand. That's it. One thing is that small changes leads to big results. Small changes leads to big results. Let's see. Let me give you an example. Okay. Have you heard about compounding? Do you know what Albert Einstein said about compounding? That it is the seventh wonder of the world. Seventh or the eighth, but he said it, wonder of the world. Why he said that? Because compounding is very much powerful. Now you will ask how this, कैसे ये tiny changes big results में change होते हैं? How this tiny changes convert into big results? That is the power of compounding. That is the power of compounding. Okay. Let's take the example of somebody जो एक दिन में 10 घंटा प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है गिटार का, उसको हफ्ता भर छोड़ दे रहा है, एंड अगेन 10 hours of practice, 1 day only. That person will be more better in playing guitar, or the person who is consistently practicing 1 hour daily. मतलब वो पर्सन अच्छा गिटार बजा सकता है जो कि 10 घंटा एक दिन प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है, फिर हफ्ता भर छोड़ रहा है, फिर 10 घंटा प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है. या फिर वो इंसान जो प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है डेली 1 hour. Why? Because he is consistent in his work. वो कम से कम वो थोड़ा ही टाइम दे रहा है, बट ही इज कंसिस्टेंट. वो हर दिन दे रहा है उस चीज़ को. Like I have given the example of patthar, means that चट्टान or the rock. In one of my video I have given the example. उसमें क्या हो रहा है? Tiny changes, big results. आपने, I don't know, you have heard about Dashrath Manji or not? Dashrath Manji. उनकी वाइफ पहाड़ से गिर गई थी, मतलब पहाड़, उनकी मौत हो गई थी, तो ये आदमी ने ठान लिया कि ये पत्थर तोड़ देगा। कैसे? छेनी और हथौड़ी से। सिम्स इम्पॉसिबल, राइट? छेनी और हथौड़ी से उसने पूरा पत्थर तोड़ दिया। कैसे? टाइनी चेंजेस लीड्स टू बिग रिजल्ट्स। जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल दिया था एक रॉक का, एक आदमी उसको मार रहा है, मार रहा है, मार रहा है, 10 बार में कुछ नहीं हुआ, 20 बार में कुछ नहीं हुआ, 30 बार में कुछ नहीं हुआ, 100 बार में मारा, कुछ नहीं हुआ, बट 499 बार में भी कुछ नहीं हुआ। बट द मोमेंट he applied the 500 strokes on that, the game changes. What happened? The game changes. The rock divided into two parts, or more than two parts. Yeah. Oh, I have not wear my specs. Let me wear my specs. So this is what it is. Means 499 strokes had not done anything to it, but the last stroke, one more I have given the example of that rock only, on which water is falling, and not in the forceful way, but at very low, means tupuk, 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 means droplets of water is falling on the rock, very small droplets, but a moment will come when rock will. This is also the best example of this tiny changes leads to big results. Okay, let's talk about James Clear. He has also given the example when he was in 12th, right? He was in 12th. With a baseball bat, he got hurt in his nose, means face, and he was in the coma. He was in the coma. कोमा में थे ये। तो वहां से कोमा से जब निकले, हालांकि इनकी डेथ नहीं हुई थी, ही इज एबल टू सर्वाइव, बट वहां से जब निकले तो यू कैन इमेजिन कि आप हॉस्पिटल से निकल रहे हो, आप तुरंत तो चलने उलने लग जाओगे, आप तुरंत तो सब चीज़ नहीं कर पाओगे। दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड टू हिम। देयर ही मेड द चाइनी चेंजेस, देयर ही मेड द टाइनी चेंजेस, and which leads to better results. That's why he's told the story of himself. राइट? अच्छा, एक ये क्या बोलते हैं, एक और एग्जांपल देता हूँ मैं। जैसे एक साइकिल, मीन्स साइकिल रेस होती है ना, साइकिल रेस हो रही थी, उसमें है ना, मीन्स द कोच, एक कोच जो था वो मतलब साइकिल का रेस हमेशा हार रहा था, मतलब जो उसका स्टूडेंट लोग था उन लोग समय हमेशा हार रहा था, बट द मोमेंट द कोच वॉज चेंज्ड, they won the cycle race. How this happens? And in an interview उनसे पूछा गया कि ये कैसे हुआ, तो उसने पता है कि सिर्फ क्या किया। You will get shocked कि उसने क्या किया सर। He only made the seat of the cycle comfortable. That's it. This is one thing. He made the cycle seat comfortable. One thing. Second, he make the players sleep in a deep sleep at night. Two tiny changes he have done, and then the result is in front of us. This is what tiny changes brings in a person. That's why I love this book, because you don't need to do big changes. I said, compounding. As I'm saying about compounding. Compounding is the seventh world, eight wonders of the world, according to Albert Einstein. Why he said that? Suppose you are doing an SIP of 1000 monthly, on a monthly basis, and you are getting 12% interest on that every year. Every year, 12% interest on that. But suppose you have invested for 10 years, 20 years. Years matters because compounding works on years and years of efforts. Right? So, suppose you have done an SIP of 30 years. Since I am not opening the SIP calculator, but you will get shocked what will be the value of your money after 30 years. That is the power of compounding. It can be even in the example of this chessboard. Again, example of, suppose, there was a king. जो मीन्स बहुत क्रूर था, बहुत, ठीक है. उसका एक आंख नहीं था. ये मैंने अपने से एग्जांपल बनाया, मतलब उसका एक आंख नहीं था. तो उसका जो वो एक अपना योद्धा जैसा पेंटिंग बनवाना चाहता था. योद्धा जैसा अपना पेंटिंग बनवाना चाहता था. He wanted a portrait in which he is looking like a warrior. Okay? But he has no eyes. Means he has only one eye. तो कोई भी पेंटर आगे नहीं आया. But one painter came. He has taken the risk. उसने क्या किया? उसने उसका एक ही साइड का, एक ही आँख का, मतलब ऐसे, इस टाइप, जैसे मैं ऐसे हूँ ना, ऐसे इस टाइप का, जिससे उसका एक आंख दिखे, और योद्धा जैसा एकदम तलवार तीर चलाते हुए वो था इस टाइप से. The king got impressed with him. उसने बोला, मांगो क्या मांगते हो? And you know what he said? मुझे चेस बोर्ड पे जितना बॉक्सेस हैं, ब्लैक एंड वाइट बॉक्सेस जो रहते हैं, उसमें एक दाने से स्टार्ट करके डबल 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 करके मुझे लास्ट टाइम तक चाहिए. मीन्स जैसे एक है तो एक का दो, दो का चार, चार का छः, छः का आठ, ये छः का एक, एक का दो, टू का फोर, फोर का 16, 16 का 64, लाइक दिस. मीन्स डबल 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 ऑन ईच बॉक्सेस. अब पता है लास्ट वाला अगर बॉक्स भरा जाए चावल के दाना से, तो पूरे रियासत, जो राजा का रियासत है, उसका चावल खत्म हो जाएगा. इतना ताकत है कंपाउंडिंग में. दैट्स व्हाई आई लव दिस बुक, क्योंकि मैंने इसके हिसाब से चेंजेस करना चालू किया. ये जो मैं वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, ये मैं अर्निंग पर्पस के लिए नहीं बना रहा हूँ. अभी मैं इंटरटेनमेंट पर्पस के लिए बना रहा हूँ, नॉलेज पर्पस के लिए बना रहा हूँ. आई एम मेकिंग इट फॉर नॉलेज पर्पस. दिस इज माई टाइनी चेंजेस in order to improve my communication skills. In whatever field you want to be, do the tiny changes, not the big changes. Big changes leads to anxiety, depression and all, but tiny changes leads to that you are doing nothing, but then also doing something. मुझे इसमें क्या लग रहा है, 15-20 मिनट, that's it. This is my tiny changes. वही मैं स्क्रिप्ट लिखूं, फिर मैं यहाँ पे थंबनेल बनाऊं, दैट विल फील मोर बोरिंग. धीरे धीरे मैं करूँगा, बट नाउ बनाया वीडियो, डाल दिया सीधे. आई डोंट केयर अबाउट हु क्रिटिसाइज मी, हु डू एनीथिंग टू मी. आई मेड वीडियो. सो दिस इज माई टूडेज वीडियो, एंड दिस बुक इज वेरी मच इंटरेस्टिंग. आई लव रीडिंग विद दिस. सो this is my today's video, and I'm very happy that I've completed my 13th video. So with this, thank you for your time.